Today's presentation covers the Introduction to Building a Minimum Viable Product, MVP, in Business Entrepreneurship Crash Course for MBA. In this slide, we delve deeper into examples of sustainable growth strategies that companies can implement to achieve long-term success. One approach is gradually increasing market share by strategically expanding the customer base over time, like a local bakery starting small and then expanding to neighboring towns. Another strategy involves developing new products or services that align with the company's values, such as a sustainable fashion brand introducing eco-friendly clothing made from recycled materials. Additionally, companies can implement environmentally friendly practices to reduce costs and attract eco-conscious consumers, like investing in energy-efficient technologies to lower operating expenses and appeal to environmentally conscious consumers. These examples showcase how businesses can achieve sustainable growth by staying true to their values and appealing to the evolving market demands. All right, class, today we're diving into the world of MVPs, minimum viable products. This concept is all about creating a basic version of your product to test the waters before going all in. It's like dipping your toe in the pool before diving headfirst. In entrepreneurship, the minimum viable product, MVP, plays a crucial role in testing the viability of a product idea with minimal resources. By launching an MVP, entrepreneurs can quickly gather feedback from early adopters, validate assumptions, and make informed decisions on whether to pivot or persevere with the product idea. This iterative process of building, measuring, and learning from an MVP is essential for reducing the risk of failure and maximizing the chances of success in a startup venture. The primary goals of building an MVP are to validate the product idea, test key assumptions, and gather feedback from real users. By focusing on the core features that address the most critical customer needs, entrepreneurs can quickly iterate on the product based on user feedback and market demand. The ultimate goal of an MVP is to build a scalable and sustainable product that meets the needs of customers while minimizing wasted time and resources on unnecessary features. Iterative development is all about continuously refining and improving your product based on feedback and iteration. It's like taking successful their innovation efforts are and allows them to make necessary adjustments along the way. For instance, companies can use metrics like customer acquisition cost, customer lifetime value, and conversion rates to evaluate the effectiveness of their innovation strategies. By analyzing these metrics, companies can make data-driven decisions to improve their processes and achieve better outcomes. This approach also helps companies avoid wasting time and resources on projects that aren't delivering the desired results. By keeping a close eye on key metrics, companies can quickly identify any issues or inefficiencies in their innovation projects and take corrective actions to stay on track towards their goals. Ultimately, innovation accounting is a valuable tool for companies to assess the impact of their innovation efforts, make informed decisions, and drive success in their entrepreneurial endeavors. Iterative development is crucial in the process of building a minimum viable product, MVP, in entrepreneurship. It allows for continuous improvement based on feedback, reducing the risk of failure by testing assumptions early on. This approach also increases flexibility to adapt to changing market conditions and enhances collaboration within the team. For example, entrepreneurs can release a basic version of their product, the MVP, to gather feedback quickly and make necessary adjustments. This helps in validating the product idea and market demand before investing significant time and resources into a fully featured product. For instance, a software startup may release a stripped-down version of their app with essential features to test user engagement and gather data on user behavior. Based on the feedback received, the startup can then iterate on the product, adding new features and improvements in subsequent releases. Iterative development in building a minimum viable product, MVP, offers significant benefits for entrepreneurs in the Business Entrepreneurship Crash Course for MBA. One key advantage is the ability to receive continuous feedback and make improvements throughout the development process. This feedback loop allows entrepreneurs to adjust their product based on user and stakeholder input, ensuring that the final product meets market needs and expectations. Additionally, breaking down the development process into smaller iterations leads to a more refined and user-friendly end product. By focusing on enhancing specific features with each iteration, entrepreneurs can create a polished and intuitive product. For instance, in the case of developing a mobile app, iterative development enables the team to release prototypes, gather feedback, and make necessary improvements before the final launch. Overall, the iterative approach of continuous feedback and improvement results in a successful and user-friendly minimum viable product for aspiring entrepreneurs. Today, we will be discussing the importance of leadership transition in business entrepreneurship. Leadership transition involves the smooth transfer of power from one leader to another, ensuring the continuity and success of the organization. Examples include succession planning, mentoring programs, and onboarding processes for new leaders. Today, we're diving into Agile Methodology, a project management approach that promotes flexibility and collaboration. It's all about working in short cycles to deliver incremental value, making it perfect for teams with diverse backgrounds. Let's explore how this methodology can help us build a successful minimum viable product in our Business Entrepreneurship crash course for MBA students. The principles of Agile Methodology emphasize flexibility, collaboration, and continuous improvement. It prioritizes individuals and interactions over processes and tools, working software over comprehensive documentation, customer collaboration over contract negotiation, and responding to change over following a plan. Agile's key aspect is its flexibility, allowing teams to quickly adapt to changing requirements and feedback. Collaboration is crucial in Agile, as team members work closely together and communicate regularly for project success. It is suitable for both technical and non-technical backgrounds, focusing on delivering value to the customer efficiently. For technical backgrounds, Agile enables iterative development and testing to meet technical requirements and deliver on time. In contrast, for non-technical backgrounds, Agile provides a framework for effective communication and collaboration towards a common goal. Overall, Agile methodology promotes a customer-centric approach, continuous improvement, and adaptability, making it an ideal choice for building a minimum viable product in the field of business entrepreneurship. Adaptation to changing requirements and delivering value quickly are two key principles of Agile methodology. In Agile, teams are encouraged to be flexible and responsive to changes in project scope or customer needs, rather than sticking to a rigid plan. For instance, if feedback from early users suggests a new feature is needed during the development, elements work hand in hand to create a successful marketing and sales strategy. Venture capital is a key source of funding for startups with high growth potential. Some well-known venture capital firms, like Sequoia Capital, Andreessen Horowitz, and Accel Partners, have made successful investments in companies like Airbnb, Uber, and Facebook, helping them grow into billion-dollar businesses. These investments not only support innovation, but also drive economic growth by backing new ideas that can disrupt industries and create value for investors and society as a whole. Venture capital plays a crucial role in fueling the entrepreneur. User testing is like getting a sneak peek into the minds of your target audience. It's where you put your product in front of real users to see how they interact with it and gather valuable feedback for improvements. This step is crucial to maximize the value of their business. This process includes identifying potential buyers, preparing the business for sale, and determining the best timing for the exit. User testing is a critical step in the process of building a minimum viable product, MVP, as it allows entrepreneurs to gather feedback from real users. By engaging with actual users, entrepreneurs can gain valuable insights into how their product is being perceived and used in real-world scenarios. This feedback is essential for identifying any issues or areas for improvement in the MVP before launching it to a wider audience. For example, user testing can reveal usability issues, bugs, or features that are not meeting user needs, enabling entrepreneurs to make necessary adjustments to enhance the product's overall user experience. Ultimately, user testing helps entrepreneurs validate their assumptions, refine their product, and increase the likelihood of success in the market. All right, let's wrap up this chapter on Introduction to Entrepreneurship with a quick summary. We covered essential topics like innovation, business models, market research, value propositions, and risk management, all crucial for anyone looking to dive into the world of entrepreneurship. Feature prioritization is like creating a roadmap for your product development journey. It helps you decide which features are essential for your minimum viable product, MVP, and which can wait for future iterations. For anyone looking to venture into the world of entrepreneurship. Thank you for your attention. Any questions? Feature prioritization is a critical step in developing a minimum viable product, MVP, as it helps entrepreneurs focus their limited resources on building the most essential features that will provide the most value to their target customers. By prioritizing features, entrepreneurs can ensure they are addressing the core needs of their market effectively. This can be done through methods such as conducting customer surveys, analyzing user behavior data, or using frameworks like the Moscow method to categorize features based on priority levels. It's important to note that feature prioritization is a dynamic process that may change as new information becomes available. In the context of software development, prioritizing bug fixes over adding new features is crucial for maintaining a positive user experience and ensuring the stability of the software. This approach helps address potential issues and prevents any negative impact on users. Similarly, in mobile app development, focusing on performance optimization rather than adding new functionalities can lead to faster loading times, smoother user interactions, and overall better user satisfaction. Neglecting performance optimization may result in a sluggish and inefficient app that could deter users. By prioritizing bug fixes in software development and performance optimization in mobile app development, businesses can ensure their products are stable, efficient, and user-friendly. This strategic allocation of resources can ultimately lead to a more successful and competitive product in the market. In the world of entrepreneurship, rapid experimentation is like closely monitoring, analyzing, and optimizing the flow of cash in and out of the company. This ensures that businesses have enough liquidity to meet their financial obligations, such as paying suppliers and employees on time. Moreover, effective cash flow management enables businesses to seize growth opportunities by having a positive cash flow that allows for investments in new equipment, expansion of operations, or the launch of new product lines. Conversely, poor cash flow management can result in cash shortages, missed opportunities, and potential bankruptcy. By implementing strategies like creating cash flow forecasts, negotiating favorable payment terms with suppliers, and efficiently managing inventory levels, businesses can enhance their cash flow management. This, in turn, helps them maintain financial stability and work towards achieving long-term success. Rapid experimentation is crucial in building a minimum viable product, MVP, as it allows entrepreneurs to quickly test ideas, gather feedback, and make informed decisions. By testing various features of the MVP, entrepreneurs can identify what works and what doesn't, enabling them to pivot or iterate their product accordingly. Gathering feedback quickly is essential, as it provides valuable insights from potential customers, helping entrepreneurs understand user preferences and pain points. This feedback allows them to tailor their MVP to better meet market needs. Making informed decisions based on the feedback and data collected during rapid experimentation is key to the success of the MVP. Entrepreneurs can use this information to prioritize features, make adjustments, and ultimately improve the product before launching it to a wider audience. For instance, a startup developing a new mobile app can conduct rapid experimentation by releasing different versions to beta testers and collecting feedback on usability and features. This iterative process helps refine the app based on user input and create a more successful product. In conclusion, rapid experimentation is a fundamental practice in building a successful MVP, enabling entrepreneurs to test ideas, gather feedback, and make informed decisions quickly and effectively. Rapid experimentation is crucial for entrepreneurs building a minimum viable product and sales. In this context, examples of promotional strategies include advertising, public relations, and sales promotions. Advertising involves paid messages across various channels like TV, radio, print, and online platforms to reach a wide audience. Public relations focus on shaping a positive image for the company through media coverage, events, and community relations. Sales promotions, on the other hand, offer short-term incentives such as discounts, coupons, and contests to drive immediate sales. When businesses develop promotional campaigns, they must consider their target audience, budget, and objectives. It's essential to select the right mix of promotional tactics to effectively engage customers. By implementing well-thought-out promotional strategies, businesses can enhance brand visibility, attract new customers, and ultimately increase sales. In the context of rapid experimentation, startups leveraging online platforms to reach a wider audience and track performance instantly. It enables businesses to target specific demographics and analyze the impact of their marketing strategies in real time. All right, let's wrap up our discussion on building a minimum viable product, MVP, with a quick summary. Remember, iterative development, user testing, and rapid experimentation are key to creating a successful MVP that meets customer needs. Keep gathering feedback and continuously improving to refine your product effectively. In summary, we covered the key concepts of building an MVP, discussed iterative development, agile methodology, user testing, feature prioritization, and rapid experimentation, and emphasized the importance of feedback and continuous improvement. Thank you for your attention. Any questions? Remember, when it comes to building a minimum viable product, the key is to test your ideas quickly and effectively. Embrace failure as a chance to learn and always welcome feedback. Thank you for listening. Any questions?